Come on, Bella, let's go see who's here. Let's go see who's over here. Hey, guys.
Oh.
Hi. You getting two?
I almost convinced her. Hello, Miss Bella.
Lady is the only one not biting me right now.
Yeah? Are they all nipping?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Need a shoe toy. Like Gatorade.
She's trying to get away from them.
You want the Gatorade.
And this is what they do. She does. She kind of nips at them, or she kind of takes them and puts their body in her mouth, kind of like, hey, no.
What are you whining at?
You guys are hurting Mama.
Yeah, no more. No more. That's enough. No more. No. Bella, go. Go. Get up. Get up. Go.
Yeah, you're killing my leg, dog. Thank you.
Okay. You're not hungry. You're just needy. She'll tell him. She'll tell him. She'll tell him it's time to go away. That's how she tells him. See? Nature taking its course. Nature taking its course. You guys excited?
No, not at all.
No, I bet you're not.
He threatened to come without me if I didn't hurry up.
You want some chicken? You want to feed her some chicken?
Yeah.
Your fingers stay intact.
Right?
Actually, I'm gonna go get some chicken.
Poor
Seriously.
daughter yesterday.
The latex gloves. Yeah, it's shaped.
Oh, my goodness.
Tricks already?
I love your puppy breath.
Puppy breath is always the best.
Yep. I'll take those kisses all day long.
I wanted your wallet.
Well,
That's what they were after.
leave that in there until we pay.
Hi, Violet. Hi, baby.
Yo.
You got everybody's names now?
I think I got it.
She's a whole lot better than I am. Anubis.
Anubis,
Yep.
Lucy, Rico, Lady, Athena, Kane. Sasha. Got it.
That's so awesome.
Oh, it's such a fat belly in my hands.
Until I've watched the videos. Oh, fat belly. We
You
know who
usually,
that is.
Lucy?
like, if you're not the first, you're usually the second. If you're, if not the first one
Yeah.
watching. This one's just on my phone, but it's gonna be for YouTube. So then I'll just post the link later.
Okay.
That way I get both platforms. I have to be at 1,000 subscribers before I can do live feeds on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I have already subscribed.
So I'm pretty excited about the new venture. I don't know if you read the announcement. I'm gonna be collaborating with a fantastic showmanship girl from overseas, from Europe. Her name is Christina, and she is taking her two Doberman Pinscher sisters, their sisters, to championships in both Serbia and Romania. And their dad, I found out recently, is also a champion in 3 countries in Europe. And the brown, the red bone girl, her name is Safi.
Mm-hmm.
She just got pregnant by the world champion, Doberman world champion, and so that bloodline is going to be highly sought after, and it's going to be exciting to work with that.
So are they bringing all of the puppies over here?
Yeah, so it's going to be, I'm going to be coordinating all of that, so it's going to be going through Suchu Farms.
Wow.
Yeah.
So is this Zeus and Bella will have a playmate.
Here she comes back.
Oh. You may not. No.
What's up, Lucy? Oh, come here, fat belly.
That's what they are, fat bellies. I thought she was the biggest, but she's actually not. She was like the second or third, I think.
She looked the biggest in the videos.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially after she ate. She likes her food. Oh, we tired her out, maybe.
I gave him a little rice, and I think you heard, right?
Rice and chicken?
Rice and chicken today, but I also gave him their regular meal, the dry food.
Okay.
So just keep me posted on how their stool is. It should be firm. A little soft is okay, but a little firm. But if it's too hard, then make sure she's drinking plenty of water. Either way, she should be drinking plenty of water.
Oh. Thank you.
Lucy just wants to bite everybody.
Oh, booger.
You're cute, but your bite hurts.
Razor sharp teeth.
Yeah. You've got some all over your arms.
Oh, I know. She's going nuts on me.
Well, bye YouTube. I'm gonna shut this thing off. See you later.